Are you looking for a way to save time while using your computer? If so, this video is for you. I'll be sharing with you 5 important keyboard shortcuts that can help you get things done faster and more efficiently. The first shortcut is used to open Microsoft Office apps. To do that, you will need to press 5 keys at the same time. Are you ready? Press and hold the Shift, Control, Windows, and Alt keys at the same time. Then, press the W key to open Microsoft Word. And press the P key to open Microsoft PowerPoint. And press the X key to open Microsoft Excel. For the rest of the Office apps, you can use the shortcuts that appear on the screen. The next shortcut is AltTab. This shortcut is used to switch between open windows. Press and hold the Alt key, then press the Tab key to switch between open windows. Keep pressing the Tab key until the white square reaches the window that you want to display, and then release the Alt key to display that window on the screen. Next shortcut is Windows L. This shortcut locks your computer screen. This is useful if you need to step away from your computer for a few minutes and don't want anyone else to access your computer, especially if your computer is password protected. The next shortcut is Windows Shift S. This shortcut takes a screenshot of your computer screen. And you can choose to capture the entire screen, or a specific window, or a selected portion of the screen. The screenshot will be saved to your clipboard, so you can paste it into a document or email. The next shortcut is used to open applications that are pinned to the taskbar. In Windows, you have the option to pin your favorite apps to the taskbar. To do this, right-click on the app's icon and select Pin to Taskbar. You can then arrange the items on the taskbar by dragging and dropping them. Now, to open one of these items, press and hold down the Windows key and tap the T key a few times until you reach the app you want. Then, release the Windows key and press the Enter key to open the application. Or you can use the Windows key with number from 1 to 9 to open the first 9 elements on the taskbar. The apps on the taskbar are arranged from 1 to 9, so you can quickly and easily open the app you want. For example, to open Google Chrome, press the Windows key and 7. I hope you found these keyboard shortcuts helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.